happened at past. Now it is removed. Now new one will be installed. So whatever is there, we are following the existing philosophy.
Okay, very good. So that means yes, work at height is there and work on live equipment is there. Any excavation job for the entire proposed activities? MPS, IPS automation activity? Any excavation? Major excavation. Don't worry about 1 inch or 2 inch excavation.
No.
No excavation. Okay.
No major excavation.
Okay. So do you need some shutdown for replacing this pipeline, or you are going to do on the live facility?
Only for this one, or you are talking about the whole?
Whole. I mean,
whole
major
in
thing.
in MP21, this MOV replacement, then shutdown is required. That one, sir. This HOV to MOV.
Fine. Okay.
Here shutdown is required. Here for replacing new one, operation team. That is why operation team advice is required here. Whether shutdown is required or not. We are changing the DBB here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have any estimates?
Sorry. There is a question regarding the nozzle height. You say 5.65 meter is a nozzle height? I believe it's not a point.
Can someone answer?
Yeah, this is a nozzle, and this N28 2-inch nozzle probe. In GA, it is not mentioned any elevation.
Exactly.
Yeah, this line is having this elevation 5.6. But this
the line is different, but the nozzle it will be not, because the nozzle is below the manhole. Okay, and it's oil in water. Okay. So this is not the case which is installed in a 5.75 meter. Maybe operation team can help us. Operation team, how much is the nozzle elevation more or less? Do you have, just attentively?
Okay, so now I think this brings some question. I have basic question. Was there any site visit carried out? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so any visit recommendation when the person has gone to site visit? Any concern was highlighted during the visit?
Concern in the sense leakage was there, so they removed it. I will show you one photo, sir. 1 minute, let me open.